Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss conditional statements. So first thing is what we are going to do is, let's say we are going to add a few basic condition. So I'm copying this and we will solve now. So what I'm trying to do here is, if the year is greater than 2015, it is a new model. Else I want to print as a old model. I hope you understood what I'm asking. If it is greater than 2015, it want to print new model. Else it want to print old model. So I'm just going to add a if condition. How we can achieve this is by using if equal to if. So this year is greater than 2015. So what will happen if you normally give the C2 is greater than 2015? We have seen in last video, right? It will either give true or false. Now if suppose this answer is giving me true, means what you want to print. If this is true, means I want to print new model. For example, if this is false, if suppose this C2 greater than 2015 is returning false, means what you want to print is I want to print old model. I hope you understood. See here, after applying this condition, automatically it is giving me new model and old model. Understood? This is the way of writing a simple if. If you want to add a multiple condition, let's say if the year is 2018 and the car is Nissan, you want to add two conditions. For example, here I want to select, I want to going for purchasing a new car. So in purchasing the new car, my criteria is it want to greater than 2018. At the same time, the color want to be white. At the same time, I want to have model to be fusion. So I want to only see a car with this which is fulfilling these criterias. Now what you can do, if now in logical test you want to give three logics. So you want to give more than one logic, means you want to go for AND operator. My AND operator is what? One is the year which want to be greater than 2018. At the same time, the white color, which is the color is equal to white. Next is third logic is the make equal to, sorry, this B2 want to be equal to fusion. So this three criteria want to be satisfied. Understood? So now this by using AND operator, whichever the rows which is satisfying the three condition will return me true. Am I right? Yes or no, guys? So value if true means then selected. So that means these are the cores I'm looking for. If it's not, then not selected. Not selected for my list. So this is the way you want to write a syntax in Excel. Very simple. If and operator we have seen separately. If this condition satisfied, it will return you true or false. But inside the if, what it will do? It will check for this. If it's true, it will print selected. Else, it will print not selected. I'm running this. Yeah, these are not selected. If you double tap it, you will get all the values. Now you can say select criteria. Select criteria. Now you can spelling mistake is there. Now you can apply the filter for this column. Now you can go here and you can, so everything is not selected because Y to W want to be in small letter, I think so. We have, see, we have given a capital. Fusion is also spelling is correct. Okay. Now I'm re-executing this. Now I'm checking. So still everything is not selected. I think so. There is nothing greater than 2018. So let's say I'm equal to 2018. Let me try to give this. Now yes, so that is selected is enabled. I'm just selecting this and giving OK button. So only these four cars which is satisfying my criteria. Understood? Which is 2018 Fusion, white color cars which is available in Chevrolet, Honda, Nissan and Toyota. So these are the cars and new model cars which is you can consider this car while purchasing a new cars. Understood everyone? This is the way of combining the if conditional statement. At the same time, we have conditional formatting. Are able to see here on the top. So what is this conditional formatting means? For example, let's say you have multiple 100, 98, 99, 97, 96, 45, 53, 311, 23, 34, 50, multiple people like this. Now you want to format this. If you go here, you can give a conditional format. You can apply a data bars. You can give any bars. So it will give you a bars based on the value, or else you can go for a data scale, a color scale, which is giving you. So you can first you can disable the data bars. You can give a color scale which is commonly used. So based on this higher value, you will get one good color. So color scale you can also give for based on the higher to lower, lower to higher. You can also apply more rules. You can edit lowest value how you want, highest value how you want. So only format cells that contain this and that. So you can do conditional formatting also. Next is in conditional format, you can go for icon. So let's say you're able to see here, higher value is get a up arrow, mid arrow, and down arrow. So you can go for whatever the icons you want, you can enable. Let's say if you're giving this, so based on the value, it's filling the squares, right? Next is one advanced feature is this top one. Highlight the cells which is lesser than 40, which is lesser than 40. If you give OK button, automatically it is highlighting the cells which is lesser than 40. You can at the same time you can highlight the cells which is between this and that, between 20 to 30, or else highlight the cells which is greater than, lesser than, between, equal to, text that containing this, a date. And also you can go to the second one, second icon. You can say top 10 items, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, bottom 10 percentage, above average, below average. So based on that also what you can do, you can highlight the cells. Understood guys, everyone? It's very simple. Top 10 items means automatically all the top 10 items will be displayed. One second, I'm removing this. Now if you go for conditional formatting, so top 10 items, instead of top 10 I'm giving top 3. I'm just giving OK button. See here, top 3 item is getting highlighted automatically. So this is the way of using the conditional formatting in the real time. Understood? This is very important, because if a teacher is working, she want to highlight the people who scored lesser than 40, she can directly give a conditional format, right? Yes or no? So this is very important feature, and also you have learned what is meant by if. So now we are going for what is the combination of if, what are the real time you will use is. So we have multiple things like count if, sum if, and average if. So now you know what is my count. So count is nothing but, let's say if I'm giving count equal to count of this, how many people here is almost 1000 records. That means we also included the first row. So we can, if you eliminate this D2, so D had 1000. So totally how many records is there? Yes, or else you can directly see count of this cell to till the last. So control shift down arrow and give OK and give enter. So what is the answer we are getting is 1000 records is there here. Understood? So totally we have 1000 records. Now apart from this count, if I want to count based on the model, so I'm doing the same, equal to count of. So I'm selecting this first cell to the last. So it's giving me 0. Are able to see here? If it's a number, it is counting, but when I coming to the text column, which is a categorical column, it is not counting it. So to you avoid this, you can give count A. If you give count A, automatically it will count if it's a text column. Understood? Count function will only work with numerical columns. When you want to count a text for like text column, you can go for a count A. Understood? Now sum, you know, which is going to give you the equal to, if you give sum, which is give you the sum of the column, and next is average is also same. If you give average of that column, it's giving me the average. I hope you know average means adding up all dividing by the total number of people. That's my total count. So it's giving you the average. Understood? Next thing is we are going to see how to use this count of sum if and average if. which is nothing but counting with one condition. Count and if, combination of if statements in the count. Let's say for a simple term, I want to see how many black color car is there. What is the car? How many black color car is there? Count is there means equal to count with one condition, which is black. Count if, what is the range you want to count? I want to count the color. So what is the criteria? Whenever it is black, you can write either black or else you can, so black is you want to give in a small letters. So which is 1 minute. BLS. Okay, you want to give in a code, sorry. Always you want to give in a double quotes. Now 190 cores is black color. Understood guys? So the black color is 190 and you want to see a percentage means equal to this 190 divided by total count, correct? Count A of this complete columns. So which is giving, you can, if you want to convert this into percentage, go and select the symbol. So 19% of the cores are black color cores. Understood? So which is nothing but 190 divided by total number of cores in the data, total number of rows, correct? Now next is if you want to make it to dynamic, what you can do is, so instead of this 190, we have written the formula manually. Now you can refer the cell directly. So now go remove the black, you can directly pause this black color cell, which will consider black itself. Understood guys? Previously we have written manually as a black. Now instead of writing this as a black, you can refer the cell. Automatically whatever the values in the cell, it will take that as a condition. Now you can change this black to white. Automatically it give you the percentage. 19% is white. If you change this to red, it will make it to 21% is red. I hope this is you understood. Very simple. Countif is nothing but counting with one condition. It is counting the column. What is the condition it want to check is red color. So only it will count this column which is holding red value in it. Understood? Same as sum of, sum is not different. Very simple. You want to add all the prices of red color cars. Yes, in if you can use only one condition. For multiple conditions, we will see in upcoming modules. We want to use ifs. Okay. Now, right now we are dealing with only single conditions. If you want to add up all the red color cars, let's say I want to add a sum of cars in 2018. Now, what you want to do? Equal to sum f. What is the range and criteria? My range is year. Whenever my year is criteria is 2018, I am referring this cell directly. What the sum you want? I want to add up the price. Are you able to see here? If it's this is the total price of 2018. If you change this to 2019, so nothing is there because no value is in 2019. 2017, this is the total prices of the cars in 2017. Understood everyone? See, sum of first is range is year because I want to filter only on the year of 2018. So we're giving a range C column and the criteria is 2018. Now it is 2017. So whenever that there is 2017 in the year, it will add up all the prices for 2017. Understood? Sum with one condition, that is called sum if. Summing up all the prices with one condition, which is nothing but year want to be 2017. This is called sum if. Same as average if, nothing different. Let's say I want to add up all the fusions, all the fusion core with an average. If you see here, equal to average if. First is the range to, the range here is what? Fusion model, comma, criteria is the fusion. I'm referring the cell directly. You can always, you can give a double quotes and you can type. The average ranges, I want to give an average price for fusion. Now the average price is $29,739. Understood? Is clear. Average if, count if, sum of, which is very commonly used in real time in the industry and commonly asked interview questions also. I hope it's very, very simple. It's very clear. You know, if and or, now you know count if, sum if and average if. I hope you understood, right, everyone? It is very simple. Please try this. We will see you in upcoming modules and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone.